Hi guys. I wanted to take some time today to go over this really cool website, Book Creator, that we're going to be using as we start writing our graphic novels for our fantasy writing unit. So, what's going to happen is you are going to go to bookcreator.com on either an iPad or your computer, either or works, and you're going to see a screen just like this. So, I'm going to click the sign in button. So when I do that, you're going to see this screen here. Obviously, you are a student, so you're going to click on the student tab, which is already open, and you are going to sign in with Google just like you normally do. You're going to use your Reading email address and password just like you would for Google Classroom or anything else. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to use one of my emails just so I can show you. So then it says join a library. You need a code. So each of you are going to have a class code. I'm obviously going to enter the one for my class, Miss Lewis's class, but if you are not in my class, you will enter your own classroom library code. So we're going to press go. And you are going to be brought to your classroom library. So you're going to see a ton of different books here. Obviously, there's 3 right now. But when you get here, you guys are going to click on the book that will say your name, right? So you are going to see a book that says Sally Sue's Fantasy Graphic Novel. And that's the one you are going to be clicking on and you are going to be working on. Obviously, if it's not yours, you don't have the right to edit it. But for today, you guys are going to be sort of looking at mine to get an idea of what's going to go on. So I'm going to click into it. And you're going to be brought to a book that looks just like a digital book you might read on your Kindle or Amazon Fire. So let's look here. So you can see the first few days of this, we're going to be brainstorming. You're going to be developing your fantasy idea. You're going to see how your character is going to develop, if there's magical elements, the setting, and creating that story mountain. Once we have that strong foundation, the next several pages are going to be actually where you're developing your graphic novel. You'll notice that I sort of have a setup made for you. In the next video, I'm going to show you sort of how we can be creative with that and edit the fonts and add graphics and other things. But this is going to be the template that you guys are going to be using to develop your own graphic novel. This website, Book Creator, is really a great tool that we're going to be using. And if you want to get back to the home page of your book, you're going to click up here where it says My Books, and you're going to be brought back to that sort of home page. I'm excited to see what we do with this. So shortly, you'll see another video sort of explaining those more logistic pieces, but that is your goal for today, is to get logged on, find your book, and have fun exploring that. Awesome. Thanks, guys.